Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share you how to prepare protein shake. Protein smoothie recipe, it's not about weight loss or weight gain. It's all about for those who really want to get their extra protein into their diet. And this recipe is a quick protein shake that doesn't require protein powder. My brother actually drinks homemade protein shake using natural ingredients. That's the way I'm gonna share you today. And also you can make this drink as a post-workout drink. Let's see what are the ingredients required. This is for 1 large glass, 4 to 5 walnuts, 3 dates, almonds and peanuts. 1 raw egg, country could be better. 1 ripe red banana. I'm using choco butter. You can use either Nutella or peanut butter or palm sugar, vanilla essence and enough of milk. You can skip peanut and choco butter. Instead of that, you may use peanut butter. Drop everything into a mixie. Blend this as a smoothie. If you want little runny, add more milk over. Your homemade protein shake is ready. To get crunchy while drinking, I'm going to add chia seeds and sunflower seeds. If you like this video, don't forget to do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you.